Good day. My name is Marnes Despebraderas, second year of BSIT-5. And I'm here to present our research study titled Privacy Rights and Social Media for BS Medical Technology students from Our Lady of Fatima University. Chapter 1. In today's digital age, social media is more than just a communication tool. It shapes how students connect, learn, and present themselves. But for future healthcare professionals, like medical technology students, online behavior carries serious implications. This study focuses on how social media use intersects with privacy rights and the ethical responsibilities expected in the medical field. Background of study, as detailed in Chapter 1, social media now plays a central role in academic life, professional networking, and personal identity. For medical technology students, it offers opportunities like collaborating on projects, sharing resources, and joining professional forums. However, these benefits comes with risk that the ease of sharing information can lead to ethical issues such as privacy breaches or unprofessional conduct in healthcare. Confidentiality can lead or improper decorum aren't just encouraged, they're mandatory. A casual post or thoughtless comment can lead to serious consequences such as violating patient privacy or damaging one's professional reputation. This is why it's crucial to examine how our students are of this risk and how will their online behavior align with professional standards. This research aims to explore how well BS Medical Technology students understand and practice their privacy rights on social media beyond basic privacy settings, focusing on legal, ethical, and professional dimensions. The specific objectives are to assess students' awareness of privacy rights and ethical responsibilities online. Number 2 is to examine their social media usage habits, platforms use, frequency, purpose, and type of content shared. Number 3 is to identify potential ethical risks or conflicts arising from their online activities, especially those that may affect patient confidentiality or professional conduct. Ultimately, the goal is to determine if students are prepared to uphold the standards expected of healthcare and professional in their online presence. In here, Chapter 2 RRL, we provided an overview of existing studies, theories, and insights related to privacy rights and social media and ethical implications for healthcare students. Here we have foreign studies such as study on awareness privacy policy, medical practice, and we also have local literature like social media use among Filipino college, privacy confidentiality, digital responsibility, and about privacy issues in social media, healthcare.
After establishing the background and reviewing related literature, we now proceed to the core of the research process. I'm Nick Angelo San Marcos, and I will be presenting chapters 3 to 5 of our study entitled Privacy Rights and Social Media for Bachelor of Science Medical Technology students from Our Lady of Fatima University. Chapter 3, Methodology. This chapter outlines the methods used in conducting the research. A quantitative descriptive research design was employed to assess students' awareness and practices regarding privacy rights and social media use. The study was conducted at Our Lady of Fatima University, Antipolo campus, and involved 100 BS Medical Technology students across first to third year levels. Stratified random sampling was used to ensure fair representation. The main tool was a structured questionnaire divided into three sections: demographic file, awareness of privacy rights measured on a Likert scale, and social media usage patterns including platform use, content shared, and privacy behaviors. Data was collected through both online and face-to-face surveys and analyzed using SPSS software, applying descriptive statistics, t-test, and ANOVA to assess patterns and differences among groups. For Chapter 4, Presentation, Analysis, and Interpretation of Findings. This chapter presents the key findings based on the data gathered. First, 60% of respondents showed a moderate level of awareness regarding privacy rights, while 25% were highly aware and 15% showed low awareness. The mean score was 3.30, indicating a basic but incomplete understanding. In terms of social media usage, students averaged 3.9 hours per day, with most spending 4 to 6 hours. The most commonly used platforms were Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and X. When comparing year levels, the study found no significant differences in privacy awareness or social media behavior. This suggests that despite academic progression, students exhibit similar levels of understanding and habits online. However, the results revealed a gap between awareness and action. Many students admitted to sharing content that could potentially compromise privacy or professionalism, such as clinical experience or academic material. For Chapter 5, Summary, Conclusions, and Recommendations. To summarize, our research shows that while BS Medical Technology students are active in social media, their understanding of privacy rights remains moderate and is not always reflected in their behavior. This presents a concern for future healthcare professionals who will be handling sensitive information and are expected to maintain high standards of ethical conduct. Based on these findings, the study recommends the following actions. 1. Launching university-wide privacy awareness campaigns that highlight digital responsibility. 2. Conduct seminars or workshops on digital ethics tailored for health science students. And 3. Integrate digital professionalism into the medical technology curriculum, emphasizing privacy laws, online conduct, and responsible communication. Finally, we encourage further research to explore the long-term effects of social media use on students' mental health, academic performance, and professional identity formation. This study emphasizes the need for stronger digital awareness in the field of healthcare education. As future medical technologists, we must be prepared not only to protect patient data in the lab, but also to practice ethical and responsible behavior in the digital world.